The Slanted Roof Pergola Kit by Grehitk offers an innovative design with extended three-way right-angle corner brackets, ensuring exceptional stability even in challenging weather conditions. Constructed with thickened plate steel, the pergola brackets are resistant to breakage and deformation, significantly extending their lifespan and providing a robust structure for family gatherings. This pergola kit is user-friendly, including 8 durable steel brackets and all necessary hardware, allowing for straightforward assembly with standard 4-inch by 4-inch lumber. The versatile application of this pergola kit makes it ideal for various settings, such as balconies, courtyards, parks, and commercial venues, providing a stable structure for outdoor kitchens and entertainment areas. Grehitk guarantees quality and offers excellent customer service, promising to replace or refund any unsatisfactory product within 24 hours of contact. The sleek and sturdy design of the Slanted Roof Pergola Kit enhances any outdoor space, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal for a perfect gathering spot.